What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you've seen me before, welcome back. Today we're making a headband for my daughter's costume. I refuse to pay $20-$30 for a costume that she's going to wear only once. I mean, when she gets older, exactly, right? When she gets older, she can play dress up and she can wear it again and again. But right now, at 1 year old, no. So I ended up buying a $9.99 sweatsuit that I can wear again and again, and it's cute and cozy and perfect for the winter. And, oh, by the way, from Burlington, not a sponsor, but call me. I could really use your sponsorship because, you know, I really like you. Anyways, I took one of her headbands and bought some felt and some trim, and I created a little headband for her. She's gonna be a lion, and I'm gonna be the lion tamer or the ringmaster, whichever comes first and comes out better. I'm trying to do this intro with music full here. Ma'am. Anyways, guys, let me show you how I did it. So without further ado, let's get crafty. Okay, so I first tried a solution of a couple of dollops of acrylic paint and water to dye the strips of felt orange. I submerged the strips for a couple of seconds and then I wringed them and let them dry overnight. As you can see, the strips came out too light, so I tried painting the strips and I still had to water down the paint a bit so it could glide easier on the felt. Then I placed the strips on a tray and I let them dry for a couple of more hours. Next, I folded some felt and drew an ear and cut it out. Then I placed the cutout ear on top of some folded felt and I cut that other ear out and I made two little ears. Okay, so the orange ones came out pretty good, but the gold ones came out a little blotchy. I guess I watered down the paint too much. This one came out okay, but it could use definitely more paint. And this one as well. So I'm going to redo them. And I'm going to attach them to this, one of her old headbands. And let's see how it looks. I used the hot glue gun to attach the ears and the strips to the headband. For the ears, I glued around the edges so everything will be attached. For the strips, I just glued them closed right on the headband and left the rest of the strip free so it can move. I glued some small strips right on top of the bow to not cover it. And right after the ears, I wrapped them around and glued them where they meet so I could cover the headband. I found this cute trim to give the headband movement, so I hand sewed it on the very top and on the sides, and then I proceeded to try it on my baby. Look at my little lion! Come on, baby! I gotta make sure that it's not too tight on her. Okay. Alright, so I tacked it on the ear and once more, and then I'm just going to close these two trims together in the bottom, and that's it. And yeah, we got a little lion headband. There you go. There you go. Ta-da! Ah, look at that lion! Oh my goodness, my baby's a lion! He's so cute! He's so cute! Yeah! So her outfit is complete. Now we have a full costume that she can wear that is cozy enough for the October weather in New York for her to go trick-or-treating. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, love you, bye!